Now, there is an ambulance coming. Check where it is coming. And if it's coming behind us, you have to pull over, give way.
Okay.
Put the right blinker. After the pedestrian crossing, make a full stop. Go, 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 go. Okay, don't stop on top of the pedestrian crossing. After. What we need to do is give way to the ambulance as fast as possible. This means we have to pull out of the way of the ambulance. Our only possible spot was the pedestrian crossing and after it.
Okay.
In situations like this, you have to stay calm. You got a little bit of stress, and that's what caused you to stop over the pedestrian crossing. Which, if we don't have a choice, if this is the only place to give way to the ambulance, that's fine. But in our case, we had a little bit of space after it, so we had to use it.
Здравейте! Ние сме Sigma Driving Academy. Нашите екип от опитни инструктори и модерни автомобили правят вашето обучение безопасно, ефективно и без излишен стрес.